rises with hope, happiness and faith. I might packed a little lunch, vakamugeza pahuma soft and small. Akasunga musoro with ribbons, kusunga her shoelaces just right. Vakati, go and chase your dreams, my angel. Dichakona before night. She waved at Chibuda gate near that innocent little smile. Kusaziva heaven's road was waiting all the while. Aiva katatakura my books, pasina kuvenga. Aiva katakura hope without fear. Aiziva ndiani the road to school. It's a better right here. Like this, Nya Kudzoka Kumba. Amaivacha kamirira by the door. One goodbye became forever. Avachaona nyemwerero yake zvachose. A child lost to hatred she never understood. You'd say what kind of victory? No, we are from innocent blood. No mother should bury the future. She gave birth to Nya Kudzoka Kumba. Nya Kudzoka Kumba. The school bell rang as normal. Vana vachiseka out in the yard. Then Mus Street became a battlefield. The world turned cold and hard. Vanhu vaichema, vanhu vaimhanya. Usiku pwititika kuzara muchadenga. Hapana akanira kuti abvunze mubvunzo. Why are we killing our own? A little bag lay on the roadside. My book was scattered in the rain. Every page she never finished now is stained with endless pain. Aiva siri muvegi, she didn't choose where she was born. But one more mother's heart is forever torn. Nya Kudzoka Kumba. Amaivacha kamirira by the door. One goodbye became forever. Havachaona nyemwerero yake zvachose. A child lost to nature she never understood. You'd say what kind of victory? No, we are from innocent blood. No mother should bury the future. She gave birth to Nya Kudzoka Kumba. Nya Kudzoka Kumba. The hate is what's keeping us behind. Vana vemutema kura yanatega. Bell yarume ngotino go wakubararai. Flow, there's no borders. Why does hate build so many walls? Nya Kudzoka Kumba. One more angel yatorwa far too early. One more man of us you and ronda pamoyo. We all bleed the same beneath our skin. Love should always be the place where we begin. No fear, no border, no anger can replace the smile that never came back home. Kiss their mother goodbye. May they always find their way back home. Putting no human should ever be